4 detox drinks to cleanse your gut naturally. Number 1. Lemon ginger detox drink. Lemon helps alkalize the body while ginger aids the digestion and reducing inflammation. Simply mix fresh lemon juice, grated ginger and water for a refreshing beverage. Number 2. Cucumber mint detox drink. Cucumber is hydrating and contains silica which supports connective tissue health. Combine cucumber slice, fresh mint leaves and a water for a refreshing and soothing drink. Turmeric detox drink. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory property and support liver function. Mix turmeric powder with warm water, a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and a squeeze of a lemon. Number 4. Green tea detox drink. Green tea rich in antioxidants and can help to boost metabolism. Green tea with a splash of apple cider vinegar and a drizzle for a honey for extra benefit. Keep watching and comment below which topic I explain next.